Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog. I've been testing out the Dyson V11 Outsize Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. A few months ago, I was asked to test out the Dyson V11 Absolute, and I loved that vacuum so much that I bought it. So I am pretty well versed in all of the features that this vacuum cleaner has. The Dyson V11 Outsize has a larger dustbin, it has a larger cleaner head, and it has an extra battery that you can swap out when you'd like to continue cleaning. Like the standard Dyson V11, the Dyson V11 Outsize has a small screen right on the vacuum cleaner, and it's that screen that shows you the power modes and any maintenance issues that you might have with the vacuum cleaner. Here's everything you get in the box with the Dyson V11 Outsize. There are two battery packs, and with the Outsize version of this vacuum cleaner, you can remove the battery and plug it into the charger right on the wall. It means you can use one battery and keep it just plugged into the wall for charging, and you can use the other battery with the wall mount and then just slide your vacuum cleaner on the wall mount for storage and charge it there. Using both batteries, you'll have about 120 minutes of runtime. So when you're done with one battery and you'd like to keep cleaning, you can just swap it out and use the second. One battery, when it's completely dead, requires 4.5 hours to charge. The battery just clips right onto the handle of the Dyson V11 Outsize, and there's a little button that you press just to pop it off. Dyson V11 Outsize has a whole machine HEPA filter, so this filter will pop off and you can just rinse it in the sink whenever it gets dirty. When you use the Dyson V11 Outsize, the machine itself will expel air that's actually cleaner than the air that's going into the machine, and that's because it could filter out particles as small as 0.3 microns. To get an idea of just how much larger the Dyson V11 Outsize is, you have to compare it to the Dyson V11, and thankfully I have one of those right in my house. So here's a look at the difference in dustbin sizes. The Dyson V11 Outsize has a 150% larger dustbin, and it really does make a difference when you are cleaning because you don't have to stop and empty it as often. My Dyson V11 will charge via my wall mount, and it plugs right into the battery. The battery is not removable. With the Dyson V11 Outsize, the battery is removable, and you can just swap it out with the other battery whenever you'd like to keep cleaning. There is a difference in size in the cleaner head too. The cleaner head on the V11 Outsize is 25% larger than the V11. Using the Dyson V11 Outsize is a lot of fun. It's a great vacuum cleaner. It has extremely strong suction, and one of my favorite things about a Dyson V11 is the LCD screen. So you can see just at a glance how much battery you have left as well as what mode you're in. The vacuum cleaner intuitively knows what it's cleaning and will adjust your suction on its own. So if you're cleaning in eco mode, it will adjust the suction to auto mode so that you have a bit of a boost. But that suction adjustment will also affect your battery power. So here I'm vacuuming in boost, and as you can see, a battery that normally has 60 minutes in eco mode or auto mode will only give you 10 minutes in boost. But in boost mode, the suction is so strong, I literally had a hard time dragging it across the floor. So it has intense suction. Just because it's a stick vacuum and it's cordless doesn't mean that the suction suffers at all. It's easy to switch modes while you're cleaning, so you can just tap the button while you're cleaning and you can adjust the power. This vacuum cleaner also has a mini motorized power head, and that is great for cleaning things like couches and cars and ottomans. And that's really the beauty of a cordless stick vacuum. You can take it with you everywhere. You can do stairs and rafters and your car, and it cleans all of your couches and all of your furniture, and it just makes it very easy to clean your home. I spent about an hour cleaning, and that dustbin wasn't even half full. It is so huge. Extra wide cleaning head is great for hard floors, and it really does pick up more every time you swipe it. The Dyson V11 Outsize is a great vacuum cleaner, and anyone who spends a lot of time cleaning their home will appreciate the larger power head, larger dustbin, and the extra battery. That's it for my look at the Dyson V11 Outsize Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. You can see my full written review on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.